Hi and welcome to Craft Marketplace phone instruction on how to add gallery photos. So first of all you want to log in. Jump down to my account, log into your account. Hopefully this is similar on an Android phone to a Windows phone. No, iPhone, sorry, I'm on an iPhone. I don't have an Android phone to show you, so please bear with me. Okay, so this takes you to your dashboard. So all your stats and sales and everything are on there. So then go to the little three lines at the top right, and that takes you to a menu, select products. And then add new product. So you upload your first thing. You can either upload it, select it from your library, or media library is the other tab, and that's for photos you've already uploaded to the website. Then there's a little plus sign underneath that. Tap that and it takes you back to your library. Pick another image, or you can upload files at this point. And there's another plus sign, so you can just keep tapping the plus sign and adding photos. And then you go down, add your product name, I can't spell, then add the price, and just keep going down and filling in the blanks. Now I've already added this product, so I'm not going to add any more to that. So have a look at the one I've already got live at the moment. So Butterflies and Daisies icing pack, and you can see I've got my main picture, 3 gallery photos, and if I want, there was a plus that sign there, I could add more. And you add all your other bits, short description. I haven't got a main description in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is copy the description, the short description, and paste it in the main description. Now this is because Google likes the main description. So we like to be nice to Google so that we can be found for sales. So just scroll down and make sure you've got all your other attributes and stuff, and then save your product. And we're all done. Hopefully this has helped. Please let me know if you need any more help. Thank you.